Let's take a look at this smartwatch. This is the Fire-Boltt smartwatch, the Blizzard Ultra luxury edition. Comes in this interesting packaging. That's Dhoni, Indian cricketer. This is manufactured in Uttar Pradesh, India. Costs around 2,599 rupees or $30 or so. 20 sports modes, Bluetooth calling, call and message notification, up to 4 days battery, voice assistance. That's the resolution. Some of the features: Bluetooth calling, sleep monitoring, heart rate monitoring, smart notifications, water resistance, works with the DataFit app. So let's see what we get. That's the magnetic charger. You get a watch strap adjuster and the manual. That's how the watch looks. Bezel has a set of gold diamonds. There is a rainbow version too. Watch also comes in a steel version. That's where the charger goes. Beautiful looking watch. When you raise it, it turns on. That's the dial. By twisting this, you can get different dials. Those are all the ones. These are all the apps. There are 2 games too. This shows you the steps and your workouts. This takes you to the home, notifications, and settings. This is at full brightness. You can have phone calls, audio, Bluetooth. This has a speaker, so you can take calls on it from your phone. You can also have it in vibration mode, theater mode, if you don't want any disturbances. It also has sleep and heart rate monitor. The step counter is pretty decent. I compared it with Apple Watch and took 200 steps. Both of them showed similar results, but it does has all these exercises that you can select. Walking seems to be pretty accurate. I haven't tried the other ones. Surprised by the build quality too. Quite a nice one by Fire-Boltt. Quite nice. Check it out.